Hello everyone, this is Navin Sekhawat. Welcome back on the YouTube channel English Sahitya. Friends, as you can see here, the topic of today that is cultural studies. Cultural studies basically, an important topic these days as for the net point of view or you can say for the understanding of the culture as well. So in this video, we will be discussing over this particular topic. But before that, I just want to tell you one thing that this is newly inserted topic we can say. But this is not that much new for you because I think you all are familiar with this topic. But what is different in this video I'm gonna make like I am going to describe cultural studies as an introductory part. But before going to the this particular concept cultural studies, I will be describing what culture is and what are the parts of culture, why culture is there, like what culture do basically. Okay, so I will be describing the parts of the culture and then characteristics of the culture. Then after I will come on this point, cultural studies. So this video is going to be an introductory video for the cultural studies. In the further videos I will be providing you the details of the writers related to it, the texts related to it, and we will covering the understanding of the text. So let's start with the first topic of today, first concept of today, that is culture. As friends, as we all are from the different backgrounds, different lifestyles, we have different belief system, we have different values, we have different eating styles, eating habits, and different foods, we have different cuisines, we have then different even greeting styles we have. So we can say that we are the collections of those value, or this culture is the collection of those values and the beliefs of any particular society, we can say. So culture is, we can say, the system or beliefs or values of any particular society. So इन्हीं सब चीज़ों से, हैबिट्स से और अनदर थिंग्स जब ये मिलती हैं तो कल्चर जो है इसकी फॉर्मेशन होती है. एंड we can say in a sentence that culture is basically the set of values that shapes our behavior. ठीक है, so culture is a set of values that shapes our behavior. So I think this culture, you came to know that what culture is. Now we will come to know that what culture do. So culture basically distinguishes us or human beings from the beasts or the animals, we can say. Second thing, what culture do is culture basically also culture also distinguish one group of human from the other group of human. So this basically the function of the culture. Now after the definition, or we can say the understanding of this culture point, we are coming to the types of culture. Before that, we are talking about the Indian culture. Indian culture, if we talk about, then it is the diverse, it is the most diverse country. India is the most diverse country. Before this, India is, we can say, the amalgamation of the cultures. And I think to understand, to study this topic, India is the best place. So culture is divided into, like, ideological culture is there, uh, arts is there, arts is also part of culture. Then we have material culture is there, ideological, social. Then we have the arts. Then we have high culture, low, popular culture, mass culture. So these are the variety, we can say, the types of the culture basically. So first we have here is material culture. Material culture की बात करें तो we have the manufactured products are included in this material culture. Then we have ideological, like it consists basically three things: ideals, values and beliefs. As you know that what belief is, what ideals are. So I just want to tell you that belief are basically you know, beliefs क्या करते हैं जो है belief basically tells us that what to work, like what to work and how to respond basically. So this talks about this thing. And then ideals जो है, ideals basically uh, we can say the models which we have to achieve in our lives, those are basically ideals. And then we have values की बात करें तो values basically tells us that what is right and what is wrong. Next we have, after ideological, then we have social culture is basically you know, includes the like marriage is there and age or gender. So these functions basically related to the, you know, social culture. Like social के अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं. You can understand the concept that social culture. Then we have the arts are basically, arts is also part of, you know, culture. Like the different performative arts are there, visual arts are there, you know. So different arts like painting is there, drama is there. So these arts are also included, you know, in the culture. Then we have high culture is basically that is related to, you know, elite class, or we can say educated class. And then we have educated, elite, aristocratic class people. So their culture is basically considered the high culture. Then we have low culture. We have the lower class people, the culture of the lower class people. Then we have popular culture also considered the lower class culture, but it consists, you know, these media, comics comics, and another like magazines are there, TV, radio. So these basically are the, you know, those which are commercial, we can say commercial entertainment sources, basically includes in the popular culture. Then we have mass culture is also, you know, comes under this popular culture. This is all related to, you know, mass, like media, and these all things are there. So culture is, you know, is a combination of the diverse things, like different various things. So we can say that the characteristics of the culture are like it is adaptive, it is shared, it is, you know, adaptive, shared and learned. ठीक है. So culture is learned, adaptive and shared. यानी कि हम कल्चर को, वी कैन शेयर इट, वी कैन अडेप्ट इट फ्रॉम, यू नो, अनदर सोसाइटी, अनदर कम्युनिटी. एंड वी कैन, यू नो, learn it from the another community or another person's culture. So this is all about the culture, the concept of the culture. I think it is enough for, you know, the culture part. And I think समझ में आ गया होगा आपको. और एक बेसिक सी कहावत है, मैं बता दूं कि एक हमारे देसी भाषा में जिसको कहते हैं कि तीन कोस पे वाणी बदले, तीन कोस पे पानी बदले. सो culture basically, you know, change you know, after a certain distance. Like language change, you know, habits में आपको change देखने को मिलेगा. Then many things you have to find that these are, you know, alterable. Like ये change होती रहती हैं time to, sorry, distance के हिसाब से. So culture is all about this. Then I think this is the right time that we have to understand the concept of cultural studies. So cultural studies is basically, I think it is study of culture. Yes, it is study of culture. By it we can understand. But how we can do the study of culture? What basically it mean? That cultural studies basically the way of study. ठीक है? Sorry, study of way. So किसकी study करते हैं हम? Cultural studies is basically study of way in which, or we can say the study of way of any culture in which it, or any culture we can say it, you know, constructed or organized. So study of way of any culture in which that culture is constructed or organized. So this is all about the um, cultural studies, and we can say that study cultural studies is the study of way of any culture, or we can say that how it evolves or how it changes over a period of time. So इसके भी study करता है क्या, cultural studies. So this is about the cultural studies. One more thing that I we have understood by the culture, that culture is very diverse, like different cultures are there, different habits, and these all, so different disciplines are there in culture studies. Why? Because there are many fields, there are many कल्चर के अंदर हमें बहुत सारी चीजें मिलेंगी, एंड उसी हिसाब से कल्चरल स्टडीज जो है वो इंक्लूड करती है, और हम कह सकते हैं, वी कैन से दैट दिस इज इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी. Means it consists or it includes the different disciplines, different ways, different the different studies, different areas, or different a lot of uh, lot of studies basically, like history, sociology, political science, ethnography, then structuralism, post structuralism, everything. I think most of the theories and these consist by consisted in, sorry, cultural studies. So we can say that cultural studies is interdisciplinary approach. ठीक है. अब अगर बात करें इसके origin की, and today we are only talking about origin, then we will sum up this topic, and we will consider other things, other about the writers and all in the next video. So cultural studies is not that much new, we can say. Why? Because cultural studies जो है, even Plato said in his work that poets should be banished from the society. Why he said so? Because he was in thought like that कि poets जो हैं they affect the culture. Okay, that's why he said like this. So the cultural studies are not new, we can say, but प्लेटो के बाद Matthew Arnold is there, who talked about culture in in his various essays. One of the most important essays written by him is Culture and Anarchy. In Victorian era, Matthew Arnold talked about culture and anarchy. Like he talked about the culture basically. At that time, there was like not satisfaction was there. Like Victorian era के अंदर basically उथल पुथल थी. That's why he talked also about the culture at that time. So culture के बारे में Matthew Arnold ने basically क्या कहा? That culture is the study of perfection, or we can say the culture is the way of perfection. Why? Because he was thinking like, his thought was this कि culture जो है, culture is a process, culture is a way. So culture is a way in which all people are, or all people wants to be best, or they want best thing in the best things in their lives. That's why he said that it is way of perfection. हर कोई perfection प्राप्त करना चाहता है, और perfection के बाद ही क्या एक यानी कि एक culture सामने उभर के आता है. ठीक है. So he talked about this in Culture and Anarchy, that is written in 1869 by Matthew Arnold. After Matthew Arnold we have F.R. Lewis talked in his in his The Great Tradition. ग्रेट ट्रेडिशन के अंदर उन्होंने बात की थी कि जो popular culture है, that I told you before that what is popular culture. So he talked about the popular culture, and he said that popular culture is basically the contaminated capitalism. उन्होंने इसको contaminated capitalism कहा. किसने? F.R. Lewis ने. And before this everyone was talking about the culture of the superior one, culture of the upper strata. But धीरे धीरे जो है like after we will be covering the Hogarth and this Raymond Williams, so they started talking about the lower strata to lower the culture of the lower classes. So FR Lewis जो है इन्होंने ग्रेट ट्रेडिशन लिखा and he talked about the popular culture. After him, this whole discussion was took by two persons. Those are prominent figure of this study, that is cultural studies, and they established a center in Birmingham, basically in Britain. And these people are Hogarth, Richard Hogarth and Raymond Williams. These people basically took the whole discussion and they started searching or research in this particular field, and they established a center that is named triple C, as we can say CCCS, that is Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies. ठीक है. So this is in 1950s they established, and यहीं से basically एक शुरुआत मानी जाती है, origin माना जाता है, origin we can say यहीं से basically this is considered the origin or the existence of this cultural studies. So up to this I have covered about the what cultural studies is, what culture is, characteristics, different type of culture I have discussed. So I also discuss about the origin of this cultural studies basically, and I also told that this is not that much new concept. So in this video I just want to sum up here only, and we will be meeting soon in the next video. By then, thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.